Hello, it's Andrew Nold here. I just want to share some problems I was having with this Olympia typewriter with the ribbon lifter or ribbon vibrator, and then show how I fix them. So, first of all, you'll notice I saw some problems I had never seen before. The ribbon lifter wouldn't lift, but the problem wasn't that I just needed to select a different ribbon. Sometimes if this happens, you're just on the stencil mode. I am on stencil, but I can't shift off of stencil. This feels jammed. And if I actually pull up on the ribbon lifter, I can shift it into a different color, but then the ribbon lifter just stays up. Let's see if it'll let me do that. Well, it won't even let me do that right now. So this was really weird. I traced all the linkages in the machine. It's a huge pain, but I actually figured out what the problem was. So let me share that with you. Often it's cleaning or a bent ribbon lifter or ribbon vibrator that's your problem. And I did clean a lot. That wasn't it though. What actually happened was something to do with the ribbon feed mechanism. So let's look at both sides of the machine and you'll see what's wrong. Over here, you can see with the ribbon feed, the ribbon spool goes in here, right? And I think these are called, what are those, pawls? Whatever, those little grabber hand things are supposed to catch on the gear. Now they're being pushed away from the gear right now by a metal piece, but this is how they should look. You'll notice that there's one up here, one down here, and they're not touching. There's actually a small space in between them. I just pushed away that metal guard. All right, but they should be enmeshing like that. But now, look on this side of the machine. You'll actually notice that these two hands, one of them jumped over the other, and they're now holding each other. I don't know how well you can see that, or if I can focus, but there's a hand holding the other hand, and so that's actually the problem. So for all the hours of work that I put in and of research, you just free them up, right? So that this one can rest where it wants to, and this one can rest where it wants to. And then if we look at the ribbon selector, or sorry, not ribbon selector, the ribbon lifter or ribbon vibrator, you'll see it's not raising. That's okay though, because as before, I'm on stencil mode. But now, I can change to different ribbon colors, and we're good to go. I just wanted to share that with you. That took me a long time to figure out. I hadn't seen anything like that online, so sorry this is a pretty shaky, quick video, but I thought it was worth putting out there. Maybe it'll help you. Anyways, have a wonderful day. Happy typing. Write some letters. I'll see you later.